Alright, here's my dyno run, alright? Not bad. Not bad at all, I don't think. What about you all? Current is 4.13 seconds for 0 to 60. For 0 to 100 is 9.29 seconds. Top speed is 210. Max torque is 298.6 feet in pounds. At 7,700 RPMs. Max power is 439.9 bhp, whatever that means. At 8,150 RPMs. The only thing that's really sucky right now is the handling. I'm thinking that might be able to be changed. I'm not too sure. The mode I have it selected for is drift. And I think I might quit the tuning. Save, yes. And it's for a stock bodied Mazda RX-7. So I've got all the upgrades for this. So let's go here. I'll be right back. Hold up to the body shop. I've also got a trainer for this game to where I can be able to do this. Whee! Super brakes, and I'm falling. Now I can fly. Oh, reset. That nabbit. You bloody wanky. Drift. Cleared accident, baby. Yeah. Yay.
If the car's not fast, it better be cool. This is where you can add some style to your ride with these specialty parts.
Let's go to Verabrace. Front bumper. Rear bumper. Verabrace back bumper. And the Squire 9 side skirts. I'm going to get a carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber custom hood, carbon fiber roof scoops, headlights. I am going to get the Zoid taillight. I am going to get the bolt. Oh, and I also forgot carbon fiber side mirrors. For the exhaust, of course, bigger the better. Rocket. Rims, always Lexani And I always get the Lexani Fire Stars at 17-inch carbon fiber. Carbon fiber spoilers first. Joker. All the way down to the very bottom. Nah, too big. Redial. Shrunk to carbon fiber body kits. Alright, go back to that. Oh, hold up. Oh yeah, I got a long ways to go. I had a short time to get there. Eastbound down Old Bandit Road. Even the greatest mess up from time to time. Like there, in there. That's why they invented this. Whee! Ow! Right on top. Move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way. Yeah, move, bitch. Yes! Perfect! Oh my god! Custom gauges. Let's go with circuit. Yeah. Neon. Red pulse. Engine neon. Red pulse. Ow. Fudge. Dark pearl black. Lights. Alright, nitrous purge. Type 1. Type 2s. Type 3s now. Type 2 sky blue, red, green, blue, magenta, gold, chartreuse, maroon, cayenne, sky blue, magenta, red and chartreuse, green and blue, sky blue and gold, red and gold, sky blue and green, red and green. Christmas! Sky blue and vivid red, red and blue, green and gold, magenta blue, sky blue, red, green, blue, magenta. Nah, I ain't making a jigsaw. Gold, chartreuse, maroon, yeah, cayenne, sky blue, magenta, red and chartreuse, blue and green, blue, sky blue and gold, red and gold, sky blue and green, red and green, sky blue and vivid red, red and blue, green and gold, magenta and blue. Yeah. Hydraulics. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Now if anybody can tell me how to do this here, please let me know. Because I can't figure out how to do it on the computer. Trunk audio. Custom. Trunk slot 1. Always go with the crossover small. The trunk slot 2. Always go to Clarion LCD 5.5 inch. Slot 3. Clarion 10 inch because the smaller the louder. I don't know why I choose Clarion, it just looks more natural to me. There we go. Now back to neon. Trunk neon. We are going to go with red pulse. Spinners. Alright. The Benjamins, Shooting Star, Hurricane, Blister, West Side, Crew, Blindside, Terminal, Floss, Crunk, 1185, Ballin, Shuriken, Shredder, and Hazard. I like these ones here because they look like skies, and like the thing the Grim Reaper has. Yeah, that thing's freaking awesome. I want one so bad. Alright. Split hoods. I am going to go with a Cobra carbon fiber, which looks like that. That's friggin' sweet! Friggin' sweet! Now, scissor, the doors. Here's stock. Yuck. Scissors, awesome. Suicide, which were invented by the mafia to throw people out the door to make it look like they actually committed suicide. But I prefer these here. Gets more attention, really, if you ask me. I'm already at a 10-star rating and I haven't even painted it yet. Well, let's hurry up and go paint.